Welcome to all. This is Geeta Rani from BLJ DAV Public School, Jakhal. I hope you all are very good and enjoying a good health. So let's start our next poem, Today and Tomorrow by J.L. Carpenter. First of all, let's discuss about author. Author of the poem. Mr. J.E. Carpenter has written only a few poems, but they are mostly on the importance of making the best of the present moment. It means the poet wants to live in present. He didn't believe in past or future. It is a great irony that we are always complaining about shortage of time. Yet we waste it as if we had an inexhaustible store of it. So, Today and Tomorrow is a very, very meaningful poem. It has a deep meaning of that we should live in today. Today is the time that we have, and we are to do the whole work into that period. Past Yesterday was past, and future is unpredictable. Nobody knows what will happen in future. So let's have a quick view on poem. Don't tell me of tomorrow. Give me the man who will say that when a good deed to be done. Let's do the deed today. We may all command the present as we act and never wait. But repentance is the phantom of the past that comes too late. Don't tell me of tomorrow. There is a much to go today that can never be accomplished if we throw the hours away. Every moment has its duty. Who the future can foretell? Then why put off till tomorrow what today can do as well? Students, this was the poem, and let's discuss its stanza wise discussion. Don't tell me of tomorrow. Give me the man who will say that when a good deed to be done, let's do the deed today. It means don't tell me of tomorrow. मुझसे मत बताओ कि कल क्या है, कल क्या होगा. The poet don't want to hear nothing about tomorrow, because tomorrow is unpredictable. He wants to meet that fellow who tell me about tomorrow, that when a good deed to be done, let's do the deed today. He says he always adores a person. He always wants to admire this person who is focused and ready to act in the present without postponing it for tomorrow. It means the poet don't want to postpone his work for tomorrow. He wants to live in today. Second stanza. We may all command the present if we act and never wait. But repentance is the phantom of past that comes too late. In second stanza, the poet tells the reader that present can be controlled by taking action. We may command the present if we act and never wait. Only heroes means the persons who live in present, can command the present. They can control the present. वही सिर्फ प्रेजेंट को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, those who act in present. And further, we have only a ghost, that is phantom. Phantom is a here symbolism of evil. Repentance, regret is a evil. Only that evil is left behind. जो बहुत लेट आएगा. If we waste our present, what we get only the ghost of repentance. हमें सिर्फ पछतावा मिलेगा, इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. Don't tell me of tomorrow. There is much to do today that can never be accomplished if we throw the hours away. It means the poet wants to say that अगर हम किसी काम को पीछे धकेल देते हैं, ये कहते हैं कि आज नहीं, कल कर लेंगे, कल नहीं, परसों कर लेंगे, इट मीन्स वी आर पुशिंग द आवर्स अवे बैक एंड दैट वर्क कैन नेवर बी अकम्प्लिश्ड. वो काम कभी भी पूरा नहीं होता है. In the third stanza, the poet says that he doesn't want to hear anything of tomorrow. The present time is full of work and jobs to be done. These jobs and works can only be done if we keep working without wasting the precious time. If we waste our today's time, we don't have anything left behind. हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा. Every moment has its duty. Yes, every moment, every person, every element of nature has its own duty. Earth revolves around the sun. Moon's duty is to shine at night. And rivers duty is to flow continuously. And everybody has its own duty. And same is with movement. Every time, every second of time has its own duty. Who the future can foretell? फ्यूचर के बारे में कौन बता सकता है? Who will left behind and who will do the same? Then put off it will tomorrow what today can do as well. अगर हम आज जो मूवमेंट है, आज का जो काम है, उसको अगर हम फ्यूचर पे डाल देते हैं तो टुडे क्या करेगा? टुडे का काम क्या होगा? देयर इज़ नथिंग टू डू इन टुडे. अगर हम आज काम नहीं करेंगे तो कल भी कुछ नहीं होगा. इन द लास्ट stanza द पोइट सेज every moment brings its with duties and responsibilities which must be done. These duties can't be done in the future, they have to be done in the present only. According to the poet, since the jobs and work can only be done in the present, nothing should be postponed till tomorrow. Here is a summary of whole poem. The whole of the poem is that we should not postpone our work for on tomorrow. We have only today. We should live in today. So dear students, this was your poem. Tomorrow we will discuss its stanza wise question answer and reference to the context. If you have any problem with it, you can call me and read this poem carefully and try to grab its meaning. Okay. Good day. Have a nice day. Thank you.